In a recent interview, Jamie Mitchell shared some of the things he wished he knew about Purdue University before enrolling there. Dates to know. Jamie filled out his FAFSA based on the Indiana deadline, which is March 10th. In order to be eligible for some of the financial aid that Purdue offers, students are required to have the FAFSA in by March 1st. However, it's also good to remember that you have to apply to Purdue before November 1st and apply for the available scholarships by February 1st. On top of that, you can get guaranteed on-campus living as a freshman if you complete your housing contract before May 5th. Housing options. In West Lafayette, Purdue offers plenty of housing options, which isn't true of every Purdue campus. In fact, Purdue North Central is located in a rural area, so there isn't much in the way of apartment options. West Lafayette offers plenty of apartments, but you can also live on campus, in co-op housing, or potentially in one of the fraternity or sorority houses. Obviously, you have to be a member of the sorority or fraternity to live in one of their houses. Over 1,000 student organizations. College is an enormous change from high school on so many levels, but one way that it may be the most difficult is the social options. Jamie came from a relatively small school and was overwhelmed by all of the social options in the way of organizations he could join. Honestly, it would be hard for any high school graduate to say that they attended a high school that could compete with those numbers, but even more so for someone with a small town history. Networking and sports. Sports are a huge deal at Purdue. Jamie had a very limited interest in sports and didn't really have the time between studies to learn more about any specific sport. That means his social experience and networking possibilities were somewhat limited because so much of the socialization is focused on sporting events. Map and class planning. Jamie put the most stress on reviewing the map before choosing a class. He said that in some cases it was a real struggle to get to classes on time, especially if he needed to pick up anything between classes or grab a snack on the way to class. He asserts that it's worth the time to use the map of the campus as you are planning your schedule. Not only will it help you plan your schedule so you aren't arriving late to class, but may even help you plan your schedule so that you stay on similar topics each semester. So for more tips and tricks on colleges and universities, check out our website,